Hello, good morning! Welcome back to my channel, Tax Tutorials for MSME. Maswerte tayo ngayon dahil pumayag ang aking client na ako ang mag-file ng kanyang annual income tax return for the calendar year 2024. Ang taxpayer ay isang mixed income earner. Ibig sabihin, meron siyang compensation income, employed siya sa isang company, at the same time, meron siyang online business. Pagkatapos ng isang taon, ang isang empleyado ay makakatanggap ng BIR Form 2316, Certificate of Compensation, Payment, or Tax Withheld. May tax withheld man or wala, dapat bigyan ng employer ang kanyang employees ng BIR Form 2316. Ito yung example ng BIR Form 2316 for the period January 1 to December 31, 2024. Nandyan yung TIN ng employee, employee's name, registered address, birth date, contact number. Nandito din yung employer information. TIN ng employer, employer's name, registered address. Then sa Part 4, summary, dito makikita ang details of compensation. Gross compensation income from present employer, less total non-taxable income or exempt compensation, income from present employer, taxable compensation from present employer, add taxable compensation income from previous employer if applicable. Then total gross taxable compensation income. Tax due computed na yan annually. Then tax due and amount of taxes withheld dapat equal. If ever may difference, kung over deduction, dapat i-refund ng employer. Okay. Ito ay magiging tax credits kasi yung ating mixed income earner, ang kanyang tax due ay from business and compensation. So, hindi na problema yung sa compensation dahil deducted na from salaries. Kaya dito na lang tayo sa business income. For the year 2024, ang taxpayer ay may total gross sales of 153,232. Saan nakuha yung gross sales? Ito ay summary from January to December. Ang taxpayer ay nag-start lang ng operation ng May, kaya May lang yung may gross sales dito. Isa din siyang online shop, kaya ito ang gross sales ay dapat based doon sa gross merchandise total less promotions, discounts given by seller. Dito tayo sa filing ng annual income tax return using EBIR Form 1701 version 2018. Naka-ready na yung profile ng taxpayer, tax identification number, RDO code, line of business, registered name, registered address, zip code, telephone number, and email address. Then click fill up. Background information. For the month of December 2024. Then, number 6, taxpayer type, single, compensation income. Ang kanyang tax rate ay 8%. So, dito tayo sa dulo, mixed income 8%. Date of birth, citizenship, claiming Foreign tax credits, no. Civil status, bingo. Income exempt from income tax, no. Income subject to preferential rate, no. Tax rate, number 21, automatic na siya, naka 8% in lieu of graduated rates. Okay. Page 2. Dito tayo sa part 4, computation of tax. Name of employer. Employer TIN. Makikita yan sa BIR Form 2316. Okay. Compensation income dito sa 3A. Ang kukunin natin na amount ay 1,446,697. Taxes withheld. Ito pong 210,454. Okay. Dito tayo sa baba, taxable compensation income. Number 5, less non-taxable exempt compensation. Ito siya, 214,879. One, 697, 210, 454. Less 214,879. Tax due 210,455. Hindi equal. May difference na 1 peso dahil sa rounding off ng figures. After na ma-include ang details ng compensation income, pupunta tayo dito sa page 3 para i-encode ang income from business. Gross sales ng taxpayer, 153,232. 152,232. So, taxable income, 152,232. Tax due from business is 12,179. Mali pala ako, sorry. 153,232. 153,232. Okay? So, 12 to 59. Okay, tama. Yun yung tax due from business. So, i-add ang tax due from compensation. Ang tax due from compensation natin is 210,455. Total business and compensation 210 plus 12, 210,455 plus 12,259. So, total, 222,714. Check natin. Okay, ito siya. Total tax due from compensation and business, 222,714. Less mo yung tax credits from previous quarters, yung binayaran. Tax payments for the first 3 quarters, 10,741. Plus, creditable tax withheld per BIR form number 2316. So, total tax credits, 221,195. Number 5. BIR form. Tax withheld. Tax withheld per BIR. BIR form 2316. 210,454. So, total tax credits, 221,195. Okay. Tax due, 1,519. Ang deadline nito, April 15, 2025. Yan sa page 1. 1,519. Okay. Okay na. Click validate. Part 4, page 4, part 9, item 11 must be equal to item 30 on page 3. Dito yung income from business. Net income or loss per business, ilagay lang yung gross income. 15323 to. Click validate. Validation successful. Save. Click submit final copy. Click OK. Okay. Submit successful. Pwede na pong bayaran sa online or pwede ding magbayad through accredited collecting banks. May tutorial videos naman ako kung paano mag-print ng tax returns. Pwede ninyo na lang panoorin. Hintayin na lang ang tax return receipt sa email. Okay? Thank you so much guys. Kung nakatulong sa inyo ang aking tutorial video na ito, please like and share para marami po tayong matutulungan na kapwa natin taxpayers. Bye!